Hey guys, it's Toby from Botisimo, and today we'll be looking at the creator site section of the Botisimo dashboard. The creator site function allows you to have a single consolidated website profile where people can view your social profile links, donate, shop for products and services with points accumulated from watching your stream, and much, much more. Let's go ahead and get right into it in setting up your first creator website. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So the creator website can be accessed from your dashboard straight from this command section right over here. So you're just going to go over to manage and go to creator site, and now you have the options to adjust, tweak, and customize your website or your creator page to your liking. The creator site URL is basically the generated URL that people will be directed to when they want to donate or buy a product or do whatever they want to do from your creator page. Here's mine set up for my own little brand right here. So you can see that we have a YouTube page, a TikTok, links, donate feature, shop for redeeming points, the actual stream, and leaderboards, commands, so on and so forth. The cover image is basically what's going to appear at the very head of your creator page. So if we go back to mine right here, this is your cover image right here. So basically this will just give you a little bit more personalization and make your creator page feel a bit more memorable and visual. The headline is basically where you tell visitors about yourself and the shop itself of your creator page. So basically it's just a little headline to give visitors a description of what your creator page actually is, what it does, and what you can do. The about page is a little bit more like the headline as well, except you have more room to kind of explain yourself, give some descriptions about what's available in the store and the creator page, and basically gives you more opportunity to describe yourself in a more unique way so that viewers and audience members alike can get to know you a little bit better. The link section is where you can input any sort of external link that links to another social media page, website, or just another account platform. So you can actually remove these by just pressing the trash can right over here. So if you press it, it'll get rid of it. And if you want to display them in a different order, then you can simply just click and drag the arrows right here to the left-hand side of where it says what type of account it is. You just click right here and you can move it up. The sections part of the creator site dashboard is where you can show different features of Botisimo. If you don't want to show all of these, then you can simply click the eye and it'll basically remove the creator or that section of your creator page from your website. And all of these can be edited from their respective categories within Botisimo's dashboard as well. The customize section is where you'll be customizing the theme and basically giving your creator page a little bit more spice and uniqueness. The font is where you can choose the font for where all of your text is displayed, and you can see it reflected right here in all of the text. The menu background color, the menu text color, and the accent colors are basically all the colors you're going to see on your page. So you can see right here, I have a couple different accent colors right here. So I've got this gold, I've got this blue right here, which matches the Vanguard Network logo, and then I've got the color white for all of my text. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video on creator sites. They're super important for getting to know your audience and your viewers a little bit better and giving them more options and accessibilities to interact with your stream and the actual brand itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any other questions, feel free to join the Discord in the description below. There's a bunch of people or a bunch of members in there that are all looking to grow their streams and help each other out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.